On this video, I'm going to show you how to jumpstart your Nissan Sentra. So I use a Noco GB150 jump box. You can find this in my tagged products. And we're just going to hook up the red first and then the negative with the box turned off. You can go straight to the battery. They recommend that you go to the negative jump point over here, but you can go straight to the battery if it's super dead. This one's only got 5.6 volts. Turn the box on. It should jump up to about 11. Then we can start the car up. Alright, and now we can go ahead and try to start it up. See what it does. There you go. And then another good feature of this box is it'll test your alternator to make sure it's not a charging issue, that it's just a battery issue. And so you see it's climbing up now. Probably should reach 14 volts in about a minute or so after the alternator charges up the battery. Disconnect it, turn it off and then disconnect it. That's it. That's how to jumpstart your Nissan Sentra. I hope this video helped you out. Like I said, you can buy one of those jump boxes in my tagged products down in the description, and you can order one up. And you can also do it with a set of jumper cables. You don't have to have a jump box. You can order a set of jumper cables or go to your local parts store or Walmart or something and buy a set of cables and hook them up. It's just red to red and black to black, and then start the car up. I mean, nothing to really worry about. If it sparks, it just sparks because the battery's dead. It's not gonna like blow up or anything. As long as you hook red to red, red to plus, and black to black, black to negative, you know, you're good to go. It'll start right up. Sometimes, like this customer here said her brother tried to start it before I got here and he couldn't get it to start up. Sometimes it just takes longer. You gotta let the car sit for 10 or 15 minutes if you're using an old set of cables or a small set of cables or something like that. You might have to sit on the car for 15, 20 minutes to get it to start up. It also depends on how dead the battery is. Will determine how long you have to sit on it. If you don't have one of those Noco boxes, that Noco box will jump it in like 2 seconds like you just saw. So anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please drop me a comment down below, let me know, and you'll see me on the next one. Bye.